Creating an API key in Mailchimp is essential for integrating Mailchimp with other applications and automating tasks. Here's a concise guide. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Access account settings. Click on your profile name in the lower left corner to open the account menu. Select account from the drop-down menu. Navigate to API keys. In the account settings, go to the extras drop-down menu. Select API keys from the list. Create a new API key. On the API keys page, click the Create a Key button. Mailchimp will generate a new API key for your account. Label your API key. Optionally, add a label to your new API key to help you remember its purpose. Copy and save your API key. Copy the generated API key. Keep it secure as it grants access to your Mailchimp account. Use this API key in the applications or services you want to integrate with Mailchimp. Manage API keys. You can view, disable, or delete API keys from the same API keys page if needed.